guys, it's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what we're doing this time around is I've got a Toyota Corolla Verso on a 2006, that is Toyota Corolla Verso petrol, and we're going to go ahead and replace the radiator. Not the easiest job in the world, quite tricky on these. So we're going to go ahead and replace the radiator, the coolant system radiator that is, and yeah, should be alright. We're going to go ahead and replace that. Also guys, check the Champions of Champions Badminton, give me a like and thumbs up and everything. The end of the year finals, good, yeah, check that one out. Anyway, this is Toyota Corolla 2006. We're going to go ahead and replace the radiator. Let's go, let's do it. Okay guys, I'm sorry about the noise in the background. I've got the heater going, it's absolutely freezing here, so yeah, got the heater going. I'm sorry, sacrifice and everything. I can't sacrifice, I've done enough of that. So yeah, what we're going to do now is we're going to take this top panel off. In order to do that, we're going to go ahead and take that off, 10 millis, that off, one there, two there, this one and this one. There's one here, one there, there. We'll take this one off here, 10 mil, another 10 mil there. The horn, we take it off from there, 12 mil, take that off, and then we'll go from there. I think we need to take that off as well, but for the time being what we'll do is we'll leave that for now and we'll take the rest of it off. Sorry about the noise, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so basically after we've taken all the bolts off, these 10 milli bolts around here, there, here, that's not off but it's off. Them three in there, 1, 2, 3. That horn, which was there, that was a 12 milli by the way. That one there, that's off. These are off. This panel should move out of the way. We don't need to take the panel off totally, just move it out of the way. There's the radiator. Right, so that one there behind that cover, so we don't need that. That will do basically. I can get my hands in there, I can take that off, no problem whatsoever. Let's get to it. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this hose pipe off, little jubilee clip kind of thing. Get some pipe pliers, get it on. I'm trying to do it with the left hand. I should have put the camera on the right hand, but yeah, whatever, left hand. But yeah, take that one off. Okay, I've got that pipe off, the hose pipe off. What we're going to do now is we're going to take the wiring plug off the fan, which is there. But before that, I've chopped that cable tie off. There's another cable tie here. We'll just chop. I mean, if you can take them off nicely, then take them off nicely. I'm just going to cut it off, chop them off, and then what we'll do is we'll put some new ones on. Got no time to waste here. So yeah, I'm going to cut this off here. There we go. That's out of the way. That's off there. We'll take that plug off from there. In order to take that plug off, all we do is just press down on it. Try and do it with one hand. So basically we're going to press down on it and push it that way. It should come off. And yeah, we'll send the car up on the ramp. Take the bottom hose off. This radiator should come straight out. Okay, the top hose is off. The wiring plug is off. We're going to send it up on the ramp. If you do it on the floor, make sure it's nice and safe. You don't want the car falling on you. Spend your time in A&E kind of thing, you know. Make sure it's nice and safe. Axle stands on there, jack on there. Make sure it's safe. Let's go. Let's go. Okay then, right. I've sent the car up on the ramp. I've took this cover off. I mean, dead easy. I mean, a little cover that goes across here. You'll see it. I mean, you have to just take the cover off. So I took the cover off, and all there is left to do underneath is just take that pipe off. You possibly, if you struggle like mad, can get to it from the top, but I'm not going to mess about. You know, work efficiently. That's what I say. We're just going to go around to this side. And we're going to take this off, a little clip there, just clamp that down, that hose pipe should come off. You might get a bit of water. If you want, you can drain the radiator beforehand, but I'm not going to bother. So we're going to take that clip off, take that pipe off, and then we'll send the car back down, and the radiator should come up from the top, come out from the top. Let's go, let's do it. Right, okay, so I've took the bottom hose pipe off, top hose pipe's off, the plug is off there. Everything is off. The cable ties, I cut the cable ties off. This radiator should just lift off. So, I mean, truthfully, you need both hands to take it off, to guide it and everything. I'm trying to take it out with one hand, hold the camera with the other hand. But you get the picture. There we go. Radiator is off. Now we're going to swap the fan over to the new one. Right, sorry about the noise again. I told you there's a heater going there. our rocket launcher. But anyway, there's the new one, the old one. To take the fan off, absolutely dead easy. These little clips here, we just push them down, fan comes straight off. Same here, push them in like that, fan comes straight off, and that's about it. Obviously we're going to take that hose off there, swap it with the new one, and yeah, fit it in reverse order. Let's go. Okay, the fan is on, as you can see there, it just clicks on there, slide it into there as well. Also what we need is these rubbers, the old rubbers from the old radiator, to locate the radiator onto the subframe. Don't forget to put them on, and that's it. We're just gonna fit it in reverse order. Let's go. Right, so as you can see, them little rubber locators, it's gonna go, one's gonna go there, one's gonna go on the other side, two on either side. Right, so let's get this radiator in there and let's finish the job off. Right, okay, I've got the radiator in there. What we're going to do now is I'm going to finish it off, finish the top half off. I'm going to put, because there's only one pipe on the bottom, the hose pipe, so I'm just going to finish everything off on the top, put this panel back on, put the hose pipe back on, put the wiring plug back on, the switch, fan switch back on, and that's it. We're going to get some coolant in there, so top it up with water, coolant, bleed it. Let's go, let's do it. Right, okay, we've got all the top panel back on. I mean, it's exactly the same way we take it off, in reverse order. All the 10 millis, this one here, 12 milli for the horn, them two there, that one there, one snap, but you don't need to worry about that. Got the plug back on, cable tie on there. That's it, happy days. Hose is back on. I'm going to send it up, put the bottom hose on, fill it up with coolant. That's it, job done. Well, there we have it, guys, all done and dusted. Radiator is on. I'm going to put some coolant in it, run it to temperature, make sure the fan kicks in, and that's it, job done. Well, that's it, all done and dusted. I'm going to run it to temperature. Like I mentioned, it's absolutely freezing in here, so I'm going to get in the car, I'm going to sit in the car, get it going, turn the heater on, and yeah, make sure the fan kicks in, and re-top it up with coolant, water, whatever it needs, and that's about it. So that's how we replace the radiator on a 2006 Toyota Corolla Verso petrol. Dead easy, to be honest with you, if everything comes off nice and easy. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry, I'm trying my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for me, leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.